Why are you doing this? Don't embarrass me on camera.
Okay, this is the strength of a woman. Ain't nobody better than the boss chick. All the ladies with the...
Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, but I go by Drea Atkins. For those of you who are new to the family, welcome. For those of you who are returning subscribers, I missed you guys. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, as you can see, I got some knotless braids in my hair. Love them. Got them done in Ghana. I've had them for some time now and I'm not quite ready to take them out yet, but they do need to be refreshed because as you can see, my roots have begun growing out and it's not looking too fresh anymore, but we can definitely refresh it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you're in the same situation as me and you want to get your braids to look like day one braids again, then this video is for you. I start off with a spray bottle. I fill it with any conditioner that I use to wash my hair. I don't use shampoo for this process. I use conditioner. In this case, I've been using the Aussie Curls conditioner with jojoba oil. So I just put like maybe a tablespoon inside the spray bottle and then the rest I put water. And I just put this all throughout my scalp because like I have some buildup because I've been gelling my edges, so I have to clean that up. And like as you can see, like it's you know, it's not dirty, but you know, it's getting there. So I'm just gonna spray my hair and then I don't drench it to the point where like I might as well be in the shower. I just put enough that I can go over with a towel and just rub it. So let me just show you. Like 2 sprays in this area, and where I see is wet, I just take my towel and I just go over that area. It's just like a quick clean to remove all the buildup and all the gel and edge control that I've been using on my hair. Oh look, this is the buildup right now. Before, you can see like the little particles of edge control, because when they do knotless braids, they usually use edge control. Well, for me, the hairdresser used edge control for every single strand. So as my hair started to grow out, the edge control started to also flake. So that's what I'm getting rid of right now. So I'm just gonna do this throughout my whole head. Sometimes I just do this for like the front half because that's what people mainly see, but it's best practice to do it for the whole head. Here's the after, as you can see. It's all clean once again. So I'm just gonna section off like the first 2 rows of my hair. So after I've cleaned the roots for the most part, should be clean, I go back in, empty this bottle and fill it with just water. No more conditioner, just water. And then I just spray it through again just to get rid of the conditioner. This is really important. Clean off if there's any extra conditioner that's lingering or if there's any extra dirt that I missed. That's what that process is going to do for me. You need to towel it enough that your hair is not wet. After that, I take my braid spray. You can get this from the beauty supply, any type of braid spray. They have a dandruff braid spray, which is really good, the anti-dandruff one. If you have a lot of dandruff, they have an anti-itch if your hair is itchy, and they have just a sheen spray. So this is a sheen spray, but I think everything that I mentioned is included in this one bottle. So it's a braid sheen spray conditioner from African Gold. So I'm just gonna spray this all through my hair. This is more of like, you know, a sealant, like a leave-in, just so that my hair is not dry. And sometimes if you have a spray like this, you can skip that whole process and just spray this and use the towel if there's like any pieces you want to clean at the front. That's like an easier method to do, and I do that on days where like I don't have time to go through the full process. Another good practice when you have braids, any type of braids, is to grease your scalp. It keeps it from getting dry and it keeps you from getting dandruff. Like, try to grease your scalp at least once a week, once every 2 weeks. And you can use any type of oil, whatever oil you usually use in your scalp, use that. So my hair is pretty moist right now, so I'm not gonna grease it right now, but I will grease it like sometime this week. So that's also a very good thing to know that you should be doing if you want to preserve your hairstyle for a long time. So after this step, now this is where we go in. And this step, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't do this for the whole head because that would take too long. I just do this for the front parts of my hair, whatever is going to show. So I usually take like the first 2 rows. And what I'm gonna do is take a strand of hair, like, see how loose this is. Take a strand of hair, take my edge control just a little bit, put it on the area. I'm kind of just massaging it into my hair. Put it on the area, twist, put it back, then take a clip and clip it just like that. And I'm gonna do that for the whole 2 rows. Actually, I'll just do the first row. I'm gonna do the same thing for the whole front row. So while that is setting, I'm gonna take some edge control and go over my baby hairs as well. Ooh, too much. And take my hard brush and just brush it into place. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side. I'm only gonna let this set for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna take a headscarf and I'm just gonna wrap it over my edges mainly. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna take out the scarf now. And I'm also gonna take out the clips. I'll start from this side because I did this side first. So as you can see, it looks way better, way shinier than the beginning of this video. So the last and final step that I like to do is to take some mousse. Right now I'm using the Herbal Essence mousse. And I'm just going to put some all over the hair. I'm gonna take my mousse and I'm just gonna go over my head. And then you can style your hair and be on your way. So I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
God gave us the ability to think about His world, but we can never completely understand everything He does. And yet, He does everything at just the right time. Ecclesiastes 3:11.